Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to create this effect. And also the visualization of music. It's a pretty simple effect. First we will just add some modifier to this cube, like subdivision surface to get more faces, and then decimate to get random mesh, and also wireframe. We will just shade it smooth for the curvy look, and also we will add a displacement to get animated. We will correct the arrangement in modifier stack of displacement just above the wireframe. The modifiers are applied from top to bottom. So now we want an object to be instanced on its every vertices. We'll add a mesh, a UV sphere. We'll just smooth it out, hide it, click on our mesh, go to particle, add a hair system. Source will be the vertices. We will be using modifier stack, and we will be correcting the modifier stack again by just shifting it above the wireframe. Alright, its placement is good. Now we will just make the object appear instead of these hairs. Simple. So let's just create a fine workspace. Alt G, Alt R, RX90. I'll just move it back. Alright, now I will just add a keyframe to the displacement which has to be animated. Now just go to the graph editor and we'll go to key, big sound to F curves, select our music, and if we notice the right side, we'll see lowest frequency and highest frequency, which is same as this equalizer if you have seen in the music systems. It starts from 0 to like 16k, and beyond 20k we can't hear. So this is the bassy side, vocal, and this is a treble, the sharp sounds, heavy sounds, vocal sounds. So we will choose from 0 to like 100 for the bassy curves. 0 to 100. Just pick it, and if we just add a timeline here and play it, we can see it reacting on it, but we can't see them. We can't hear the music. So we will add a we'll change it to the video sequencer. Keep sure to be on the first frame from where it will get added. Go to add sound, select that audio file again for just the playback in the background. We'll get back to timeline. You see the bassy nature is getting animated. So it's our will if we want to animate the vocal side or treble side. We have just chose the bassy side, the bass one. If we go to graph editor, now we will animate these balls, just their size. go to the particle setting and we will animate this. Put a keyframe here, like insert it, and go to particle setting, select this size, go to key, bake sound of course, select it, and the travel one we will go to like 200 to 2000 something. It should give us, you see it's very large, so we will just go to sphere and reduce these scales. Just click one and slide the mouse down to change it in all axes. Tweak it however you like. This motion of being large is kind of boring, so we will add a random motion with the help of a plane. I mean this empty. We will just go to the modifier of this object, which is displace, and give it a new cloud texture, and we will change the coordinate from local to object and select this object which will just derive the noise in the displacement. We will give it a driver, a simple movement driver, hash frame /50. It should be a slow movement, subtle movement. Disabling these overlays, cleaning this area for the camera only. Select the camera, go to camera, viewport display, and paper pass. Pass a part out. Okay, now changing the world redness to 0. We'll add a plane for the staging purpose. We'll just extrude the back above, and we will add a subdivision by Ctrl 3. Same the modifier thing. Shade it smooth. Bevel this edge. Ctrl B. Scaling it on X. I'll give it a black texture. Just a simple one, nothing complicated. Decrease its specular. Give the sphere also a black material. It's just my choice. You can give it your way. For a better moment, we will just delete this one and change this to object from world global, and we will apply a rotation on it. This one. This looks more interesting, right? Hash frame /50. Just clipping under the knots looks fine. So it's just personal preference. Coloring everything. I guess it's done now. Turn these things on for the rendering section. Motion blur gives the nice motion blur to the objects. It is very procedural, as you can increase the Plexus nature or decrease it.